Hello, my children. I'm your Vinajina. Happy to see you again. Today we are going to meet so beautiful book. What can you see? Birds. Yes, birds. A busy day for birds. What's your favorite bird? I love a flamingo. So Vinajina has some flamingo. Shoo. One flamingo. Shoo. Two flamingo. Three flamingo. Yes. Lucy cousin. Often green pies. Many birds are so busy at the daytime. Oh, just one is not busy at the daytime. It is sleeping now. Can you find it? Yes, it's an owl, always sleeping at the daytime, so it's not busy. The others are so busy. Orange pies for caviar. Small bird. Oh, tall bird. A busy day for birds. Lucy cousin. Can you imagine just for one day? You are a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! Hooray! The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Who is he? He's a rooster. From your wings, and you can fly. Higher, 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 up in the sky. There are some clouds. Hop, hop, pop. Peck, peck, peck. Now swim along and stretch on your leg, long leg. Say hello, darling. Then soup like a starling. Soup. Starling, it's a starling. Oh, many starlings. Soup up and down. Soup round and round. Shall we count the starling with our finger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 starlings. Bye-bye. Scratch the ground with your feet. Scratch. Catch a fly with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Just one leg. Tall leg. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Who is she? Yes, she's a hen. Hen lays an egg. I love mommy chicken. Thank you. Catch a wiggly snake. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Catch a wiggly snake. And stretch out your wings. Open your beak and sing. Tra-la-la, tweet, 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 tweet. Hum, hum, hum. Chip, 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 chip. Chip, 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 chip. Oh, what the hey? Hello, penguin. Waddle like a penguin in the snow. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Run like Ostrich. Go, 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 go. Long legs. Show off your tail. Oh. What is it? Who is she? Pheasant. She's a pheasant. And wiggle your bum. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your bum, bum, bum. Bum is a hip. Oh, it's not daytime. At night, it's dark. Now sit in your nest and cuddle with mom. Cuddle, cuddle, cuddle. I love mom. Cuddle. 포옹. Cuddle with mom. What a busy bird you've been. The funniest one I've never seen. You began the day cock-a-doodle-doo. Now say goodnight. Tweet, toot, woohoo. It's an owl. Owl is not busy at the daytime, but owl is so busy at night. Many birds are sleeping at night, but just one is not sleeping. It is so busy at night. Can you find it? Yes, it's owl. Tweet, toot, woohoo! Can you be a bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! A busy day for birds, loose cousin. My lovely children. See you next time.